Hello everyone, this is Vivek. In this video, we will learn a simple trick by which you can find the cube root of any number just in few seconds. For this, we need to memorize the cubes of numbers from 1 to 10. Here I have underlined the last digits of all the perfect cubes. And here you can observe that the last digits of values of the cubes of numbers 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10 end with same digits. Whereas the last digit of 2 cube ends with 8 and 8 cube ends with 2. Similarly, the last digit of 3 cube ends with 7 and 7 cube ends with 3. This table will help us to identify the cube roots of perfect cubes easily. Now let's begin with an example. Let's say that I need to find the cube root of 1, 3, 8, 2, 4. I'll write the number again here 1, 3, 8, 2, 4. Now step number 1, we have to divide this number into two parts. Counting from the right hand side 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, mark a vertical line. Step number 2, observe the last digit which is 4 and correlate with the perfect cubes that are given on the left hand side. Here the last digit ends with 4 and the cube of 4 also ends with the digit 4. So therefore here we can write 4. So this given number is going to end with the digit 4. Now observe the remaining digits which is 13. Now find the perfect cube which is either equal to or less than 13. That will be 8, isn't it? 13 lies between 8 and 27 and 8 is less than 13. And cube root of 8 is 2. So let me write 2 here. Therefore the cube root of the given number is 24. That's it. Very simple, isn't it? Let's take another example. I need to find the cube root of 50653. Again the process is same. Let's write this number again 50653. Now divide this into two parts. The right side should have 3 digits and remaining digits we have to write on the left hand side. Now next step is to look for the last digit. Here last digit is 3. Now we should look for the perfect cube which also ends with the digit 3. That is 343, 7 cube, isn't it? So therefore write here 7. So the cube root of the given number ends with the digit 7. Now look at the other digit, that is 5050. Now identify the perfect cube which is either equal to or less than 50. It is going to be 27, isn't it? Which is 3 cube. So cube root of 27 is 3. So therefore write 3 here. So therefore the cube root of given number is 37. That's it. Now let's take another example with higher digits. Let's say that I need to find the cube root of 941192. Now pause the video and try to find the cube root of the given number on your own. Done? Okay, let's check the answer. Writing the given number again 941192. Counting from the last digit after 3 digits, mark a vertical line. Now the last digit of this given number is 2. Now identify the perfect cube which ends with the digit 2. It's going to be 8 cube, isn't it? So 512, it is ending with the digit 2. So therefore write here 8. So the cube root of given number is going to end with the digit 8. Now look at the last 3 digits. Now find the perfect cube which is either less than or equal to this number 941. It's going to be 729, isn't it? Which is less than 941. And cube root of 729 is 9. So therefore write 9 here. So 98 is the cube root of the given number. So in this way we can find the cube root of any given number very easily and quickly using this trick. Here I am purposefully not taking any numbers with higher than 6 digits because we need to extend the cube table beyond 10, which is not worth it. In most of the competitive exams we will find questions related to cube roots with maximum of 6 digits and it is more than sufficient to remember the cubes of numbers from 1 to 10. I hope this video is helpful to you. I will see you in my next video.